It is time to set up my Laurel Denise Kristy planner for week 27. I'm really excited because it's the first week in July. We've got red, white, and blue going on here with Planner Kate stickers for the monthly. And then I have lots of fun seasonal stickers that I want to use for this first week for the holiday. So I'm really excited to turn this around. I also have some extra stickers from the monthly that I put in. So I've got all these as well that I can use. If I really wanted to, I could pull out this from June. These were left over from my Cocoa Daisy kit from June. And then do some decorating with some patriotic stickers that are in my Happy Planner booklet here. So this is the Cheerful Seasons, I believe. And so this one has a really fun page, which I showed you, I think, last week, or when I did the July. It has some really fun stickers like that. So I am really excited to set this up and get it ready for the upcoming week. So let's turn this around and let's set up week 27. Here is a quick look back at week 26. These Happy Planner stickers are kind of pulling up in certain places, which has never happened to me before, but I've just noticed that as I was looking at this right now. We did have a very quick, hot trip to Disney, so I put in some really fun stickers here. And if you are interested in the Disney vlog that will be coming for this trip, I think it's going to be a long one. I was editing it last night, and you'll see in it that I got some fun stickers and then these little coloring pages right here. So I'm wondering if I'm going to use these somewhere in the planner. I did take one of these and put them, where did I put it? Right here, because I couldn't help myself. I needed to put it somewhere. I thought it was so cute. So they're fun, and you'll know more if you watch the video, but it's not up yet. And then also in the video, I did get, I don't think I mentioned this, but these are decals. So this is a decal sticker that you could put on a water bottle or something, and you can buy 3 for $5. So I bought 2 as a present for someone, and then I bought this one for myself. I thought it was really cute, the castle. And then this notepad, I couldn't leave it. I'm a blue girl, and I just thought it was really pretty with the scalloped edge, and I'm going to put it here on my desk. And then lastly, I have been looking for, and if you've been following me, I was looking for this candle. And I haven't even opened it yet, but it's Donut Warm Cookie scented. And I just loved the retro, it's like 3-dimensional. They're not flat images of the 4 parks. And so I thought I would burn this candle, and then I'm going to put my pens in it. But I just kind of left it for my desk. So I am going to put that right here. And then right here I have this is Riviera Resort. I've used this a lot, so it's a little dirty. I have a few extras of these, but this is the coaster that they use at the Riviera Resort in Disney World for the quick service. I think it's Bar Riva, they had them. And this blog is called Ridgely's Radar, so anything with 2 R's I love, and then the fact that it's Disney. And I have a stack of them. The bartender gave them to me. I did not steal them. I asked. And so I have a few extra in the drawer here, but I've been using them a lot, and sometimes they get stained, but they're just paper coasters, so that's kind of fun. So my desk has lots of little things on it that just make me happy. Oh, and then one other thing, I'll show you this one. So this was something I got from our spring trip for Flower and Garden, and there's a little viewfinder right here. So once the light hits it, it starts dancing, but I think it's died. It is solar powered, supposed to be solar powered, but I think it's broken so that the flowers dance. And there was different ones, and this is the one that I love with the orange bird. So I leave this on my desk, and it's supposed to dance when the sun hits it and powers it. Okay, that is enough of that. That's enough of that. Let's get into planning next week, because many people may not be interested in those things. Thank you for your suggestions about how you use this. I will definitely take those into consideration and thought and start using this section more useful. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my July setup, and I was asking how people use this page. But in the meantime, let's set this up. I'll be quiet. We'll get decorating and organizing for the week 27, first week in July. I was looking at this and I was wishing I had numbers other than just this. I have letters, and I was gonna do July, maybe I'll write 4th down there, but it's the 250th, so that would have been really fun, but I don't have any numbers. So there's that problem. And then I have all of these. A happy planner that I can use to decorate for the week, which is really fun. I can use those. I wanted just the structure of the week. So up here, I usually do the weather and my workouts, and down here is meals. In the way past, I used to do a habit tracker down here. So I'm not sure what I want to put in here. Maybe that'll be a decoration. Maybe I'll cut this off. Maybe I'll keep it. So let's see how this works out, because I think it would be kind of fun to use these. Maybe I'll just use this somewhere else. That is a final look at week 27. I really like how it turned out. These are really fun, these stickers, and I almost used all of them, which is kind of great. I think there's a baseball cap left, or maybe a few circle ones like this. Maybe I'll add them and just use the whole thing up. But for now, this looks great. I did need to add some blocks because I realized I had some things in my calendar that I need to add. So I did lift these up and put them back down. They seem to be okay. Maybe this one's a little funny, but I think it's fine. And then there were these cute little blocks like this, but that was it. There was not a lot for July 4th. And then I did this. I wasn't really sure what to do with these letters, but it's kind of fun, something different and something I've never done before. Definitely needs more letters and numbers, so maybe I'll look for those in the future. But yeah, that is week 27. That was so much fun. I love having a theme. finding stickers in my stash, reusing things that have been sitting in my drawers, or just using things that are in my drawer. And it came out really, really well. So this is gonna be a really fun week ahead for July and July 4th. So the month of July and July 4th is what I mean. And I'm gonna fill in my appointments that I know that are set right now. So this will be all ready to go for my week. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next week, week 28, because I did get stickers with my subscription to Cocoa Daisy. So I may use those. I probably will look into those. I have not even opened them. I got them, I took them out of the envelope, but I haven't opened them all and searched through them. So that'll be next week's decision. And I do have extra red, white, and blues. I liked how these worked. They're a little bit bigger. These are the Laurel Denise Scout weekly stickers, and those definitely fit across the top in here really, really well. So these fit really well, very nicely, and just a little bit of space between each row. So if you are interested in these, like I said, they're the Laurel Denise Scout weekly stickers from Planner Kate. So I did use the red ones because I thought that they'd be fun for the July 4th week. So there's that if you're interested in those, and I'll be sure to write them in the description so that you can find them as well. And then everything else I used was part of the monthlies that I used for July, and then the Happy Planner sticker book, I used one of the pages in there for the decor. So there's that. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have fun decorating your planner for the first week in July and July 4th. I did see that it's Canada Day on the 1st, so for any Canadians, happy Canada Day. And then happy Independence Day to my fellow Americans. So this is really fun and exciting, and it's the middle of the year. So we are finished half year already, and this year has flown by. So I can't even believe it. We're halfway through using this planner, and I made it. I got through half of this year plus a whole other half year in another planner. So this is amazing. I can't believe I stuck with it. So there's that. Happy planning. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're going to be doing for your July stickers. Are you going to use stickers? Are you not using stickers? Did you find anything really cool to decorate for the 4th? Let me know. I'd love to know, so that maybe next year I'll get something different. And I will see you next video, which is going to be I made a mistake last week. Next week is going to be week 28. So I'll see you then.